All right, the highlights from GreatStockPicks.com chat room today. If you're trading at all, you know how slow the market is unless you catch one of the hot sectors right away. The rare earths ripped today. I'm embarrassed to say I didn't catch a trade in any of them. Only had like 3 or 4 calls all day for the chat room. Very slow. I think when Alcoa reports Monday after the bell, earnings season starts, I think volume will pick back up and we'll have a lot more tradable opportunities. But I'll go over a couple that we called in chat today. First, I want to say though, if you've never had a Steak and Shake Western barbecue, let me get this right. I think it's a Western barbecue burger. One of the best burgers I've ever had. I had to take my son to the movies today, my wife and I, and it was a Steak and Shake nearby. And man, that's a good burger. It's got the onion straws and little grilled onions. Also, anyway, just a really good burger. Okay, Clearwire looked pretty good over 6, so we were watching this thing early. And then switching to 5-minute candles from today, it put in this very narrow one at 5.95. I said over 5.95, it could, get enough mustard to get through 6 and give a nice trade. So it did do that. Called it a 5.96, and really within 10 minutes, 6.11. I know it doesn't sound like much, but anytime you get a move like that on a $5 stock, you should at least sell some and get to a break-even stop. So Clearwire, an early, not much trade, but maybe a little money in your pocket. EXPR, something I've never traded before, but called it at 2011. It gapped up. These are 5-minute candles. I'll show you the daily. Nice. We identified the breakout early on, and so then I was looking for a low-risk entry. And you had the early high, then a subsequent high, and then a couple little lower equal tops here at 2010. I said 2011 might make this thing get through the high of the day, which it did. And the worst case stop was 1997, so only 14 cents risk. And from 2011, didn't take too long to get to 2049. And look at the close, all the way to 21 on 14 cents risk, almost 90 cents move. So EXPR, very nice. Played a baby oil, ROYL, later in the day, got like a 20-cent move on a $5 stock, and then that thing came back to break even. So not much else to talk about, but looking forward to next week. And anyway, we'll put out a video tomorrow with any calls that we have from today or from Friday's chat session, if there are any, as slow as things are. But hopefully there will be. And then next week, I think things will pick up. So have a great night, and we'll talk to you then.